Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Ulta haul. I wasn't expecting to do another Ulta haul so quickly, but they've been having some good deals and yeah. So if you are interested in the things that I picked up from Ulta in my recent trip, just keep on watching. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. I am just trying to catch up with you guys, have some girl time, and I had some bags sitting in my room of some orders that I got, some PR, some things that I've bought in store, so I kind of just mixed it all together. I don't know if I do have some PR here as well. It should be pretty quick, so let's dig right in. So the first thing that I picked up is another pack of my Winkx press-on lashes. This is something that I purchased. I should pretty much be like on a subscription with these. I have them on right now. The ones that I have on right now are longer than what I like to use. I like to use the 12 and the 10s, but then the 14 sometimes feel very dramatic, but I don't like to just throw them away. So I just use them for when I film. But usually I will go for the 12s and the 10s. Well, these are really nice because they already are pre-glued little clusters, as you can see. And then with the tweezer that they give you, applicator because it's not a tweezer, these are under lash extensions. So the glue is placed so that they stick underneath. And I wear these all day long. They do not come off. They don't fall off. You just have to make sure that you get them onto your lash and not onto the skin because that will bother so bad. You won't be able to keep them on. But if you just get them right where the lash starts, like the actual hair, you can wear them all day and they are the best. I love these and I lost count of how many I've had. This next product I got because, well, I'm in my 30s. I want to start taking collagen. I have taken collagen before, but when we move so much, sometimes I get rid of certain supplements and things like that. But I wanted to pick up some collagen that I can ingest because a lot of skincare and beauty products will tell you that they have collagen, and I have read a lot that when you're putting on like creams with collagen, they don't really do much, and the way that it works is if you're taking it as a supplement. So I picked this one up from Ulta, and this is the Vital Protein. This is the collagen peptides. So I want to start adding this to my coffee in the morning because it's unflavored. They also sent a little stainless steel scoop for free with it. And it has 20 grams collagen peptides per serving. And it's good for your skin, your hair, your nails, and your joint support. I want to start taking that because it's very good to take care of our skin and all of that. But we also need to take things to help on the inside, feed ourselves the right things, drink a lot of water. And I'm going to go ahead and start taking this because that is very good for your skin, to help with anti-aging. Not that we're trying to prevent it, but just take care of ourselves so that we look our best. If you've been watching me for years, even before I started my fitness journey and all of that, which I've done on and off, but I have always talked about this magnesium supplement, so I am taking it again. I took a little break for a little bit, but I was missing it. I love this. Be regular to go to the bathroom, and I also love that it helps with sleep, with recovery, and then now with muscle recovery. I was reading that it's good for that as well. So I wanted to put this back on my little pantry where I have all my supplements. This is the Sleepy Magnesium. I'm not sure why they give such a huge bottle, and this is literally filled up to like here. I honestly don't understand, but this one's cherry flavor. It's not my favorite flavor, but this one has melatonin as well, so it just helps you sleep better. So yeah, I'm happy I have that. Next up, we have a new release from Saltier. I received this in PR and I was so excited to share this with you guys because I cannot wait to add this to my shower. This is their new vitamin C oil infused body scrub. So now we have body treatments from Saltier, we have body washes and body oils and body butters. Now we have a body scrub, and I am here for a good scrub. I love to do body scrubs. This one claims to be a skin smoothing body scrub formulated with vitamin C and nourishing multi-oil complex to reveal softer, more radiant skin as it exfoliates. It has a stable oil soluble form of vitamin C that helps brighten the look of skin. Vitamin C derivative that supports overall skin radiance. A multi-oil complex, moringa, rosehip, jojoba, and kukui oils nourish, hydrate, and improve skin suppleness. I received this one, but I believe there is 3 that you can choose from. So I have Coral Coast, which is perfect because this is the scent of the summer as well. And I just wanted to kind of show you the texture of it. So here's how it looks. What I can tell immediately is it is packed with oil. Definitely going to give you a oily, nice, dewy look. But do you see this? It's actually very exfoliating. I'm not sure how this is going to act while you're in the shower because there are some scrubs that when you start to scrub, they will pretty much get very gentle and just turn into like an oil in there. So we have to see how that is while you're showering. But from the texture, I can tell it feels pretty gritty, and it's not like those Dove ones where it's like really soft. This is a little bit finer than Tree Hut. Smells amazing, and I cannot wait to put this in my shower. So this is going to be available in 3 fragrances: Saltwater Vanilla, Santal Bloom, and Coral Coast. And I believe they are already available, and you're going to be able to pick them up on Saltier.com and Ulta Beauty starting July 9th. I have an obsession, you guys. Let me show you guys because this is kind of like what I have been loving. So when I'm doing my makeup, I am really good at doing everything, trying new products. But when it comes to lip products, I always had them kind of like thrown in a drawer, and I would kind of reach for the same stuff. So I wanted to do kind of like what I do with my perfumes, a perfume tray. But instead of a perfume tray, I've been seeing this all over TikTok, girls making like a lip case or a lip makeup bag. So that is what we have here. Here's all the lip products that I am currently using to create lip combos. We have a few lip stains, which is my new obsession. These type from e.l.f. Because of the way that my lips are shaped, using these types of lip stains before lining my lips have been so helpful. So I am just loving this little bag. This is from Say. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below if you're interested. They do come in different colors. You can also find more affordable ones on TikTok that are not from Say. I have those as well. I just really like this pink color. So I just wanted to add a few more things because I have an obsession. I never even thought I was going to like these so much, but for example, the Rhode Peptide Lip Shapes, L'Oreal has their version of them, which is the Blur Filler Blurring Lip Contours. I didn't think that this would work for me, but it's actually really nice for me because I have like a double lip line, which means you will have like a lip line, but then there's also lip that doesn't really have pigment. And then if I don't line it, it looks weird. But then sometimes if I line it, it looks I'm not like I'm trying to overline too much, and it can get a little confusing. But these products have really helped me with that. So I just wanted to add to my collection and get all of the ones that I was missing. So out of the L'Oreal ones, the lip blur ones, I was missing Bordeaux Bisous. It's a more reddish one, or Bisou. I'm probably saying that wrong. So now I have, I think, all the colors that I think would look good on me. So this one is more of like a reddish color. Let's see. Oh, that is pretty. That's really pretty. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so that's going straight into the bag. Then I also picked up another CoverGirl lip stain. This is the Outlast lip stain. And I didn't have this shade. This is in the shade Shuggy Girl. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. And this looks like a natural lip shade. So I'm gonna use this one more for like every day to line my lips. So very, very excited for this as well. This one I tried to get when I went to Ulta in person. They were sold out. I tried to order it online. They were sold out. And it recently came back in stock. This is the e.l.f. Sheer For It blush tint. You can use it as blush. I haven't tried that yet. I have been loving it for my lip. But I was missing the Maple Latte shade, and I finally got it. So excited for this one. This one looked kind of warm on me. I already have lip products. These lip staining products are so amazing. So all of the ones that they have are more like pinks and berries. This is strictly a color that you can use as a bronzer, but I was missing this one. Now I'm running out of space, so I'm gonna have to take some stuff out. And then there's the stain that it leaves behind. I love staining products because it's so thin, it looks like your skin, but then it leaves such a good stain. So to end today's video, we have some new flavors from the Coco Kind Lip Blur Balm. So I have some more products to somehow fit into this little bag. I'm gonna have to take a few things out, put some new ones in there. I did receive these in PR. We have vanilla chantilly and strawberry shortcake. These are going to be available on July 26th exclusively at Target and cocokind.com. Here is the packaging for this one. This smells so sweet and yummy. It literally makes you want to eat it. I think this is my favorite one because I'm more of a vanilla girl. It literally smells like frosting. It's a clear gloss, so the vanilla one doesn't have any type of shimmers or anything. And then the strawberry one is a sheer soft pink gloss. That one smells really good though. And it's a light pinky color. Yeah, they smell really good. I am getting a little obsession with lip balms. I was never that much of a lip balm girl, but here you have to. If not, your lips are gonna get so nasty. So I just always have to have something on my lips. That brings me to the end of today's quick Ulta haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the products that I've talked about. If there's any products that you use that you're excited for, let us know. And with that said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one.